Hey guys, welcome back to the Nasdaq Daily and your trading plan for the next trading session. I hope you guys are having a fantastic Sunday today, but now it's time to get back to the charts. And if this is your first time here, it's great to have you with me. And my job today is very important, and that is to identify the best trading levels for tomorrow, which is going to be May the 10th. And I just want to remind you here, if you want to learn more about my Nasdaq trading strategy, just click the subscribe button with the bell and you're going to receive a notification every time I post a new video. Today, as usual, I would like to start with my last video, which was on March 26th. And I know it's been a very long time since I posted a video, but I had some things going on. And this was my previous technical analysis, and I was expecting to see a few things for that trading session. And let's check out what happened. So this was right here. I made this video on, I believe it was Sunday or Friday, and we were expecting to see some kind of a pullback and then continuation to this level. And as you can see, that level actually was the exact top, and then we just sold off from there. I know I did not make any other videos, but usually what I like to see is when we establish one level that also corresponds with my levels on the chart here. As you can see, I have these levels marked and they don't change, and this is exactly where we kind of reversed that bullish momentum and we dropped down very significantly. Now, my suggestion is check out what the current price is compared to your broker, because this level may be a little bit different. So, for example, or maybe just see where exactly your level was at the top right here and see if it's going to correspond to 14,050, because maybe on your chart, depending on your broker, this level might be 14,060 or 70. So all these levels will be ending on 70, not on 50. My levels always end on 50, and they're between 100 points. And I don't really change them at all. They always stay like this. I actually have them locked right here. As you can see, you can lock on TradingView, you can lock your levels, so you cannot move them around once you do your technical analysis. So now let's jump right into what can we expect to see next. I'm going to remove these. I'm going to show you that we kind of created the same, almost the exact same trading range right here for 2 days, and now we're out of that range. So a few things that we can expect for the next trading session, and I'm going to mark the levels that will be interesting to watch. So the first level will be obviously the top of the range, and then the middle of the range as well. You can expect to see a pullback to any of these levels and then a continuation to the upside, because right now, as you can see here, the momentum is bullish. There is no doubt about that. We created right here a perfect double bottom, and I'm going to mark that in a moment. Let me just find my tool. Yeah, we can use this too, I think. So this is exactly how double bottom looks like. We go down once, we go down twice and retest, and then we bounce. And for double bottoms, usually the target is the exact same move projected to the upside, and that is this move right here. So this would take us to about 13,886, but I'm going to show you something else. So if we see some kind of a pullback down to the range top, we can expect to see a continuation from here or from this bottom level right here, which also, as you can see, has been touched multiple times. I'm just going to mark it like this so you can see. So once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, then going to the upside. We also use this as resistance, and then we use the next level as resistance as well. So as I usually say, these levels work, so make sure you have them on your chart. And now let's see what kind of a channel can we create from this move right here. Okay, my battery is low. Let's just plug in my battery very quick. Alright, so this is our current channel that we are trading in. And as you can see, if we come down to this level, we are going to break out of the channel, which usually is a sign that the bulls are losing momentum. But because the move was so strong and so parabolic, I believe that we are not going to lose the momentum even if we come out of the channel, because right now is the Asian session, and even if we do some kind of a small range, we'll be out of the channel anyway. So I'm just going to project the channel, and I want to get my targets. So the first target is right here. So even if we continue straight up from here, we're going to be looking to take profits at 13,950. Same thing if we come out of the channel and we hold this level, we're also looking at this level to take profits. And then the same thing even if we go down to here, and then we're going to be looking for continuation. The first level that you want to take profits is this level right here, 13,950. And as you can see, if we extend this to the left, you're going to find out that this was our very, very nice resistance level before that huge drop, which was over 400 points. So we're looking for continuation to that level. And then the next level obviously is going to be this level right here that I had marked all the way back in my last technical analysis. But this will probably happen in about 2 trading sessions. I believe this is it, guys. I mean, I'm very, very bullish for for next week. I don't think we're going to see continuation after we created this perfect double bottom here and we actually broke out of it. So I mean, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button if you do, and if you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button with the bell, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.